It's Pobot's Cracker Box.
Welcome to the Cracker Box. Look what I've got today. And it's from Amazon. Let's go next door and see what we've got. On Amazon, Centropower sells the PDU Power Strip Surge Protector. 10 illuminated front panel switches control 10 outlets on the back. Let's put down our Mito mat and open the box. Centropower says this unit safely provides surge protection control. It looks like there's more than one version. We have the 10 switch version. Let's open it up. There's no warranty or instructions included. A plain plastic bag. Illuminated switches on the front. It says this eliminates radio frequency interference and electromagnetic interference. 10 numbered switches on the front and 10 numbered outlets are on the back. Centropower sells on Amazon, but it's made by our friends across the ocean. Let's dim the lights and see what it looks like in the dark. Ooh, pretty. I'm going to flip a switch. Oh, that was fun. Let's do some more. Well, that's enough of that. But does this unit really safely provide surge protection control? Let's look inside. It's very neatly wired. And there's a 15 amp circuit breaker. But I don't see anything for controlling surges or eliminating noise. Let's compare it to another common surge suppressor. Here's the Pyle PC0800 power conditioner. I bought this from Goodwill for $20. Let's get a closer look inside of this unit. There's a circuit board, and each pair of outlets have components. Which product do you think provides protection? Even though the Centropower PDU does not appear to provide surge protection or noise elimination, it's still a well-made switch unit, and because it works well, I'm going to give it 2 paws up for both quality and value. Just don't expect to have it filter noise or eliminate surges. The link to purchase this unit from Amazon is in the description below the video. There's also a link to apply for the Cabela's Club MasterCard. If you like short product reviews and you want to see more, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell to hear about new reviews as they come out. The Cracker Box does not receive compensation from Centropower, Amazon, or our friends across the Pacific.